In this video, we are going to go over how our billing team can enter in rates and charges. Before I go through that process, I want to show you a little bit about the setup. In the menu on the left, click on Rate Cards and click Rate Cards again. Today, we've only got T-Force configured, and this is based on our agreement with them. From here, we can see that we have minimum charges configured based on weight. If we click on the three dots to the left of the name and click Edit, we can see those weight ranges as well as the amount we're charging. At any time, we can come in here and make the adjustments as needed. For now, we're going to click Cancel. Clicking on additional charges will show the other rates we have configured for T-Force. There are some where we know what those rates are: fuel surcharge, high cost service area, and storage fees. If we click on the three dots again to the left of the name, we can go in here and make any adjustments. All right, now on to the process. Click on the additional service in the menu on the left, click additional service and additional expense. From here, we can use delivery date range or pro numbers to search for the information we need to update. If we click on the pro number, it will open up the pro details. And if we want to update the charges or add accessorials, we'll want to click on the box to the left of the pro number and select Take Action. From here, we see that this $55 fixed charge has been applied, but if needed, we can go in there and manually override it. We'll want to add our comments and add any additional services that were performed. So let's select Liftgate, enter in the charge amount, and if any additional services were also done, click the Add button and we can add as many as we need. Once we have everything configured, click the Take Action button to commit the changes. All right, once we have those set, we'll want to use reporting to do a checks and balance and to be able to import the data into Peachtree. In the menu on the left, click on Reports and Templates. We will have some standard templates configured at the time of go live, but for this test, we can use accounting and charges. Within the template, we could select our date range and any of the fields we want to see and click Generate Report. What this will do, this will add our report into the download section. We could see here, I've generated the report. The status is in progress. Click the refresh button. Now we're in the success status, and we can click on this download report button, which will download an Excel file to our computer. Let's go ahead and open this up. All right, and let's expand the column names so we have a little bit more room to work with. From here, we have our pro number, the total weight. The initial VAS is the information that was entered into the system at the time the record was created, or what T-Force and SIA sent over to us. So from here, we see on this pro, we were to do an inside delivery and liftgate. But at the time of delivery, the driver didn't select either of those. So we can use this as a way to checks and balance to make sure that the driver is entering in the appropriate services. We also can see who the driver was at the time by looking at the delivery driver name. Now in this next pro, we see it came through as inside delivery and liftgate, and the driver performed those two, but also included a sort and segment and a hazmat. Now we could see our total fixed charges, the total combined, and any additional charges we added into the system. So all of this we can use to import our financial data into Sage, or just make sure that the drivers are marking their services appropriately. All right. There are more changes coming to the process, which is going to give us more visibility and flexibility into it. But let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.